Respected principal, honorable teacher, dear friends, and most important, our beloved teacher, Alrahman sir, and honorable guests. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today is not an ordinary day. It is a day filled with mixed emotion, gratitude for what has been, and sadness for what we are about to lose. We are here to honor a teacher, a mentor, a guide, and a friend who has dedicated a lifetime to the noble cause of education. Some have said, teachers are like gardener who is plant seed of knowledge nature, with them love, and watch them grow in strong trees that give shade to the world. Sir, you have been such a gardener, watering the heart and mind of your student with wisdom, patience, and sincerity. So, Alrahman sir, as a colleague, we have seen a true professional, humble in success, graceful in challenges, but in always ready to help. With presence was not just in the classroom, but in every corridor, every heart that you touched. Let me share a couple that suit this moment. A teacher is that lamp which may burn out. Its light continue to illuminate generation. So, dear Alrahman sir, your retiring is not the end of your influence. The seed you have sown will continue to bloom in the leaves of student who cries your lesson forward. Your contribution will echo in classroom, office, and homes yet to come. May Allah grant you good health, endless happiness, and this ability to enjoy this new chapter of your life. With which sir you are teaching, let me share a couple that suit this moment. A teacher is not a king, it he makes other king. On behalf of all your colleagues and students, I with a full heart thank you and never forget you. Let me close with these heartful Urdu lines. गुलशन की रौनक आपसे है, खुशबुओं की पहचान आप है. गुलशन की रौनक आपसे है, खुशबुओं की पहचान आप है. हमारी दुआओं में हमेशा रहेंगे. आप जैसे उस्ताद और रहबर कम मिलते हैं. थैंक यू.